Hey YouTube, it's me Ronnie, and in this video I'm going to be going over my 9-month retwist as well as doing these rope twists. For this retwist I only used 3 products. I used some aloe vera gel. This is what I use to retwist. It's super lightweight. It feels like water basically, but it gets the retwist nice and tight, so I like that. I use this. I use some sweet almond oil. This is from Now Solutions. Just the oil that I had on hand. I typically would have used jojoba oil, but I no longer have any jojoba oil, so I use sweet almond oil. And then the third thing that I use are just regular old rubber bands that I have on the ends of my hair. Stay tuned so you guys can see how I achieved this hairstyle. So starting out, I apply the aloe vera gel to the roots of the locks, and then I twist each lock to the right, and then I do a counter twist and twist it to the left. So I don't typically retwist my own hair, which is why it's a little challenging for me at first trying to figure out which way to twist it, because I'm not 100% sure which way my loctician does it. But I just twisted my locks to the right, and then I did the 2 strand twists to the left. I find that you have to twist them in opposite directions in order for your locks to stay locked at the root and not come loose. So this is me doing it once again, applying that aloe vera gel and then twisting to the right, and then I'm going to counter twist to the left. For some of the locks, I did use 3 locks instead of just 2 locks, but that's because my parts are weird, and so I get an uneven amount of locks in a row. Before I begin each section, I apply some of the sweet almond oil. I apply it all over the section, not just on the individual locks, just to give my hair a little bit of, I don't want to say moisture because oil is not moisturizing, but it seals in the water that is on my hair. I did this on damp hair. This is freshly washed hair, straight out of the shower, damp. So yeah. And once again, I'm applying that aloe vera gel to my roots, and then I am twisting to the right, and then I'm going to do a counter twist to the left to achieve the rope twist. And notice right here, the color changes in the video. I'm not 100% sure why it does that when I'm editing the video. I use the iMovie app for the phone, but like every other clip, it'll distort the color and make it way darker than it needs to be. And if you have any tips for how I can fix that, please leave it down below because it is very annoying. So yeah, once again, I will be applying the aloe vera gel to my roots. And then I'm going to twist each lock to the right. And then I'm going to do a counter twist to the left. So yeah, this was how I do my 2-strand twist, rope twist, retwist, whatever you want to call it. I'm 9 months locked. I will be 10 months locked in 2 weeks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.